Welcome back. Get ready for some wet weather. Your time now 8:48 a.m. It looks pretty crazy right now on the screen with all of these weather alerts, but we'll break it down for you. So we'll start off with our special marine warning that's still in effect. It was in effect earlier this morning, but just to be safe, it was in between the channels from Oahu and Maui County. That's going to be the K'iwi channel. We were seeing some potential thunderstorms there and a lot of heavy rain. It was a section of where this storm front was coming through. So we'll show you our Doppler radar here in just a second to explain that. Besides that, severe thunderstorm watch still in effect for Kauai, all areas until 12 p.m. noon for today. Small craft advisory, that's the pink highlighted portion statewide. Flood watch, potential flash flooding until Friday afternoon. We still have that in effect, island to island. And then along with that statewide high wind warning still. That started at 6 a.m. today, and that's going to last until 12 p.m. on Friday. So expect wind speeds to be very gusty, approximately 20 to 35 miles per hour on the lower end on average, but slopes, windward slopes, especially 60 miles per hour. And we also have a winter storm warning that's for the peaks and summits of the Big Island. They are expecting some very cold conditions up there and possible winter storms and some winter snow along with that. Doppler radar for you. So here's a look at the front that we're talking about, the flashes there. That's going to be your lightning. It's still moving in a west to east direction. So just past Kauai, we're going to start to see the brunt of those showers here within the next few hours, predicting approximately 12 to 1 p.m. potential for thunderstorms. And again, flash flood watch in effect until Friday. So this is going to go down the island chain. Here's that section that was in between the K'iwi channel earlier this morning, north of Maui County now. Tomorrow, we're still expecting showers, though, for Maui County and Hawaii Island. So today is the major day that we're going to see the heaviest amount of thunderstorms. Wind speed still in a southwest direction. So southwesterly winds are creating some southwest choppy swells. So if you're in Honolulu, Waikiki right now, definitely be careful for that if you're heading out the door before the rainstorms come. The week ahead for you on the screen cleared out, though, by the weekend, just in time for Saturday and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, even midweek to end of next week, we're going to see really nice conditions. Partly cloudy, mostly sunny skies. Temperature-wise, comfortable. We did start off a bit warmer this morning, but daytime highs roughly about high 70s, still low 80s by lunchtime today.